good afternoon. We're starting our third race of the day. This is our Pro and Expert GT3 with Steve Madison starting on green, Scott on orange, Bill Porter blue, Joe Campbell purple, Jim Wood on black. And let's go to racing. All right.
Go.
I don't have the rest on bars though. You wait. I have to call you right back. I love you. Good grief. Hurry. There you go. Hold those over there. Take your time. Take your time with those.
Well, let's go. You knock two off with the one.
Take it easy.
I'm looking at like 4 places right now.
Who you trying to take it easy?
I don't know, what?
Somebody knocked Madison off.
That would be
You got
ridiculous.
unfair advantage.
That would be ridiculous.
Here, let's see if I can get
I can't even tell which car is which one. So that's my dad, that's Bill, that's
Thanks, Hank.
I realized that like I'm looking like 4 different places.
I don't think Steve has an advantage in this truck.
Yeah, I drove by the slower car.
There's some fast cars out there.
I know, that's why I yelled.
back away a little bit with the sticker dagger.
Yellow flag. Go. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Heat over.
Heat over.
Bill Porter is your current leader with Jim Wood in second place, Steve Madison third, Joe Campbell fourth, Scott with fifth. Bill Porter or Jim Wood each with 23 laps, Madison, Campbell, and Scott all with 22.
Go. Halfway through the race. 1 minute left. Seconds left.
Why is there like pairs of twos?
White.
Because you can't have,
10 seconds left.
Grayson, that's because you can't have pairs of threes.
5 seconds left.
Heat over.
Yeah,
Heat
they're like
over.
driving beside each other.
Yeah.
Like there's two that go by and
Go.
Madison has taken over the lead with 70 laps. Wood 69, Bill Porter 68, Scott 68, Joe Campbell 66. Laps that segment, Madison 24, Wood, Porter, and Scott all with 23. Campbell had some trouble with the car with 21. Fast lap goes to, looks like Scott with a 4962, Madison a 4990, Joe Campbell a 5014, Bill Porter a 5061, and Wood a 5108.
Go. Halfway into the race. 1 minute left.
Track.
Yellow flag. Go.
Green.
10 seconds left. Yellow flag. Go. 5 seconds left.
Heat over.
Heat over.
Madison's pulling away with the lead with 93 laps. Wood and Porter and Scott all with 92. Joe Campbell 89. Laps that segment. Porter with 24 picked up one on the field along with Scott. Madison and Wood each and Campbell all with 23. Fast lap goes to 4785 for Scott, 4936 for Madison, 4964 for Porter. Okay, got to go to racing.
Go. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Steve Madison with 117 laps. Scott with 116. Bill Porter 115. Wood dropped to 114. And Joe Campbell 110. That's that segment. Madison and Scott both with 24. Porter 23. Wood 22. And Campbell 21. Fast lap goes to Scott with a 4849. Madison a 4931. Everybody else in the five.
Go. Yellow flag.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Go.
I just saw another car coming, getting ready to hit it.
Halfway into the race.
Watch the car.
sounds different, Joe.
Huh? That's a very astute kid right there. He went to the Steve Madison Academy of Driving.
All I saw was go right. I don't think anybody.
See?
He does blame everything on the track, and now he can't blame anything on the track. He was the one that rolled it. Now he can't blame anything. He rolled it.
Take that argument away from him.
That was risky.
Because that's such a dumb argument.
Halfway through the race. 1 minute left.
We're both on A and B. Oh, track.
Go.
I remember who it was. I got the green scale on the tires.
Yellow flag. Go.
Yeah, I'm sure it's
You can poke it and you.
weird green color.
Pick it up, it's like you're going to use.
Didn't know how to. No. Just to get them one shot. About it.
Then you like you're picking it up, it's like the wind is like moving.
10 seconds left. Yellow flag. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Steve Madison 164 laps, Scott 162, Jim Wood 161, Bill Porter 160, Joe Campbell 153. Laps as segment, Jim Wood with 24, Madison and Scott and Campbell all with 23, Bill Porter 22 that heat. This going into the last heat. Fast lap goes to Scott with a 4.981, everybody else in the fives. And let's go back to racing.
Yellow flag. Go. Yellow flag. Go.
I got a little too aggressive.
1 minute left.
You're right, Scott. Red is really slippery. No traction. I think it's because somebody let some juice loose. Man, I can't come out of red without slipping. Well, somebody put Vaseline down out of the donut.
10 seconds left.
Woo! You see that nonsense?
Checkered flag. Race over.
All right. Steve Madison wins again with 187 laps, one over Scott with 186, Jim Wood 184, Bill Porter 182, Joe Campbell 176. The important thing is that I beat Bill Porter. That made for a good day. Now, Bill Porter says the same thing when he beats me, so we kind of go back and forth. Scott's the newcomer in the Pro Expert division, and he spanked me and Mr. Porter. So, congratulations to Scott. Laps that segment. Scott picked up 24. Madison, Wood, Campbell, all with 23. Porter with 22. Fast lap was 4.857 for Scott, 4.920 for Wood, 4.928 for Porter, 4.963 for Campbell, and 5.158 for Madison. Madison was on the red lane. So that's our race for the day. I hope you have a great time. Thank you for watching.